young faculty member, my interest was mainly around the technology that I was working on. And at that time, advocacy had created significant opportunities in women's health and in particular breast cancer research. And I was advised by my chairman and other senior members of the department that I might want to think about working in breast cancer to take advantage of the opportunity. And that's how I got into breast cancer research. So it really was the power of advocacy that got me into breast cancer research. I have a lot of different things that I'm involved in that I do. Some days I spend a fair amount of time in clinic interpreting MRI scans. I spend a fair amount of time involved in our research network. I'm co-chair of ECOG Akron, and we're involved in a lot of clinical trials, including the MRI trial. That's the subject of my presentation. And that's a trial really looking at the effectiveness of abbreviated breast MRI, which are rapid, slightly lower resolution breast MRI scans in being able to detect breast cancer in women with radiographically dense breasts. Purposefully anticipating at the time we designed the trial that 3D mammography or tomosynthesis would be the predominant screening modality that would be used in the U.S. We wanted to make sure we compared it to tomosynthesis so that we would have a result that would be durable. And so we accrued almost 1,500 women. They underwent both tomosynthesis screening and MRI screening, and we tallied at the end the breast cancer detections. We wanted to try to minimize the impact of overdiagnosis, which many in breast cancer screening are concerned about. And so we focused only on invasive breast cancer, and we did not consider in situ cancer as part of the endpoint. And what we found is almost 2.5 times more breast cancers were detected by the abbreviated breast MRI than were detected by the 3D mammography or tomosynthesis, really illustrating, the potential value it has in this population. There's so much work to be done in this area that both for me and many others, there's plenty of work to do. For me, the most gratifying thing is to be able to have impact. And impact, can be measured at a lot of different levels, but you can't have a greater impact than having an impact in the way medicine's practiced to an extent that you have an impact on people's lives. And so times like this, frankly, are why I do what I do.